Let's have a look what means in our Convotherm Mini Pro the EasyRack inside the cavity. As you know, the Convotherm Mini Pro is the smallest GN-sized combi oven in the world. Only 49.8 centimeter or 19.6 inches wide, and still able to fit, in this case, 5 65 millimeter GN container easily. So that gives us actually 25% more loading capacity than our previous Mini. So as you can see, the trays fitting perfectly inside, and we have a fully load that could be rice, could be vegetable, and as I said, 25% more. But EasyRack is more. It's also able to fit US pen sheet trays. In the past, we always had to choose which trays you're using. You had to switch the rack inside. EasyRack can fit both GN trays, and depending where you're using, in which market you're using the Convotherm Mini Pro, it also fits perfectly US pen sheets. And even in a fully tray load like this, or even one tray more, thanks to our AirFlowPro, we have a perfect even heat dispense, we have even browning, better baking result, and that with 25% more capacity.